Deep frying is a dry heat cooking method that uses conduction and convection to transfer heat to food submerged in hot fat. Foods to be deep fried are usually first coated in batter or breading, which preserves moisture and prevents the food from absorbing excessive fat. Cut, trim, or otherwise prepare the food to be deep fried, and bread or batter as desired. For this procedure, batter-dipped catfish will be used. Heat the oil from 350 to 375 degrees, depending on the product. Carefully drop the battered fish into the hot fat. Most battered foods initially sink to the bottom and then rise to the top as they cook. When the surface that is in contact with the fat is properly browned, turn the food over so it can cook evenly on both sides. Remove the deep-fried food from the fryer with a strainer and hold it over the cooking fat, allowing the excess fat to drain off. Drain the product on absorbent paper or on a wire rack and serve immediately.